See the light from the tunnel. Score the goal and win the tunnel.
Right now, I walk through a forest to some park in Georgia. I'll tell you what the name is, I'll list the name when I put together these clips and these images. But as you can see, it's deep forest. Deep forest. And you can hear a river. You can hear the rushing waters of the river to my left. Anyway, I walk go right down to the river so you can see. You see me? The water clear and everything, and it's ice cold. I see the river running in two different, it's coming from two different directions. So that's one river, a second river, and they're meeting right here. I guess to create a bigger river or whatever. But yeah, nice clear fresh water. Super cold though. Alright, so while in the forest, I keep running into these mushrooms, and I'm wondering if these are the psychedelic mushrooms. Because I guess this is how they grow in the wild, right? And they're colored. This is the first time I'm seeing these colored mushrooms. So I'm betting my money psychedelic mushrooms. You want to go through? You want to?
Through the gate, youth. Who like who?
Oh, the Lumix photographer with him Lumix camera. Yeah.
Man.
Trim looking well neat. You can't whistle loud, you know. Like Jamaican people, if you grow a country, you must know them things. When you need for chat to your brethren, or call your brethren, say, yo, come escape out of the yard and make go a river or bush or something. You see me? You just shout across the hill and you just say, woo! And that's the signal that, you see me? They know exactly what to do. You see them all reply back, woo! And you know what that say? That about 10 minutes. Give me about 10 minutes. You see me? And do all long, woo! I want to tell you, say, boy. Right I know mama say I can't left the house in her beat me and go get so. You have to go a bush by yourself, youth. Yeah, you have to wait till she gone and market or something. You see me?
You hear me calling?
You hear the signal? Listen.
What's up, guys?
Hey, how you doing? Hey, big dogs. Got you. But yeah, that's the... Ooh! I never know say all this while I could have used a silver something as like a mirror for see. For do selfie. Oh. But yeah. I keep on and see the color mushroom them, man. I swear are the psychedelic mushroom. You know, I think they're illegal, you know. Yet still them growing in a while. Oh, that makes sense. shoes well clean.
What do you think? This?
Huh?
The first one we never some step, you know.
Oh, yeah, your mother?
We walk go down the step there. To the father and walk go back up. You see the
Longer than this?
A bit longer than this?
Yeah.
Yeah. A thousand step, you know.
No man, me I say if the whole journey wanna take longer than what we do so far.
It probably, yeah, longer than what we do so far. But it probably not longer than the whole thing though.
Okay.
Let's take it longer. So.
I see I have a next spring right there, so I lead to the big river. Ah, finally some real nature. Except for the lack of fruit trees. Like why when I see some wild apple, some wild pear, peach, you see me? Plum. You can come and just pick and eat. Like why? River again. Ooh. Look nice. The breeze nice now. Look like a berry tree this too, you know. Alright, we're finally running a fruit tree. So this is blackberry. Ah! Aye.
Joke him. No, wipe on that.
I'm glad you call out yourself, sweet. Why? You're not telling a lie, I like the river, nice river. I'm happy when I say the river and the water no brown. Brown and mucky and dirty and polluted. You see the tree drop down and make a nice little bridge go across. And this is a 7-mile long hike. So the trail is 7 miles long. So in all, we'll be walking 14 miles. What is that? Oh, me? No, sir. I know me not drink no water. Me not thirsty. You say the place cool. When me forward back, me drink my water. I'm not ready yet. More berry? Me I go pick and eat.
Why?
Oh, them not ripe. So you see, blackberries. Them red now, but when them ripe, them are go black. And them one are probably bitter. Like so. So this is the most you can get. You're not gonna get no apple, you're not gonna get no pear. Nothing we can fill your belly, you're not gonna get. But you will get those. Better than nothing still.
A wave of relief washed over me.
Lots of ferns. People in Home Depot and Kroger feel like they send people up here to dig out these ferns and put them in pots and sell them for $20 and $30 in the store. That is a conspiracy theory. Another little stream. And these bridges are one real one. So, little doggy. No, steer upon me, afraid. Man, steer upon me like he wants to bite me. Oh. See mushroom there again. Them one are orange. The last ones were red. These ones are orange. Ooh, look at that. River well wide and nice. Take picture youth. Alright, that's a nice scenic look right there. Yeah, I'm about to change in my shot. Wow. River you look bigger than me, I know. You know, look like me. this our river when me I go swimming in, you know. Like I get big and look deep. Whoa. So now you see the water go downhill again. Not quite Duns River, but take what you get, you see me? Take what you can go. And this campsite, people camping, enjoying life. Another stream coming in from the right. Come and join the big river. So right now we are waiting for our turn for the rock. Alright, my turn for go across. Will I be the one to slide and drop? The master one say hopefully. Boy, I made it. We are go up the hill and climb the side of the mountain there. If you drop off, now fall far down ground. Hopefully you catch water. But I will climb the side of the rock there right now. Trying to reach the falls. It's such a beautiful view. Alright.
Made it.
You fooled me once. Yeah. I'm telling you, say fool me once. Oh, we make it for sure. Yeah. Yeah. Nice. Yo, water nice. Wow. Alright, it looks like we have made it. And here is the big part of the falls.
See falls there, man.
Actually a decent sized fall.
Yeah, what's swimming now? Saturday bag, right?
Yeah. Wow. This is nice. Give him no more, man. He might vomit it up.
Come on, video first.
I'm gonna touch the water. Well, like you don't know what water do to people there. One thing we rate with for them, river settings, only pass sand there. Come like beach. Somebody who can slide go down this and reach faster, you know? Look like a couple people slide go down there already. Final destination. Final destination. Too bad I am not about. Why? Alright, time to.
Good.
Wow. It is a beautiful sight. Drop no? Drop back way. Drop back way. And that's right, they say you're gonna drop a sand, you know? Good man. Feel a little bit of sand. Well, the least I can do is wet up my foot there. Yeah! Oh, me a swimmer, you know? Big swimmer, yeah! Yeah.
That's our fucking.
Yeah, yeah. You want kick up water like crazy. You can swim, man.
Right, man. Come on, yo.
Huh? Racing, no? You look like a racing, man, look. Eh? The man abs, that's your abs. Yo! Yo! You don't forget good, yeah? I can't do. Yeah. Yo, it's a huge fall. Let's try doing this scale like. I think I did flowers, you know.
Eh?
I put some butterfly. get serial number. Alright, so there's the river, the falls, the rain start, and we have to improvise and get 2 garbage bag and make raincoat. Go, you know, go through.
I don't want a device, that's all.
I want waterproof device.
That is why you need you get the GoPro though. Next time I bring a GoPro, man. So now we are walk back the 7-mile hike in the rain. So you know I have to be extra careful because the place is going to be extra muddy and slippery. Oh mommy, remember the bamboo them here? Alright, so the little family hike went well. Can't complain except for this rain a bus pound now. Now stop from vlog. So we have to say bye bye to the. We are climbing Jacob's ladder. We are climbing Jacob's ladder. Soldiers of the falls. Falls, my youth, falls. Yeah, falls. Every remix. Every step goes higher and higher. Every step goes higher and higher. Soldiers of the falls. Rise, shine, rain, fall, and bring the glory. Rain, fall, and bring the glory. Soldiers of the falls. And now the rain starts fall heavy. And we are experiencing a moment.
Next foot, here's the foot. It doesn't matter.
So you know we soak by the time we reach one. And guess what? Guys, so what happened was, right when we get ready to leave the falls, the rain just bust. We walk a good little distance, we make some makeshift poncho out of garbage bag. And we are head out and the sun start come back out, so the rain kind of stop fall, but you know water still a drop off of the leaf them because you know the forest. But yeah, everything good on now. We had a nice journey in the little rain. Sing a little song them and I enjoy ourselves. Yeah! There, so we're in the mountain. Still we are left now in the rain. So you have to be extra careful because you know the place hold it more mud. Yes? Look on what? Alright, you see what I tell you about the mushroom? Well, that one it kind of yellowish green. I seriously a psychedelic mushroom them. I wonder if people them come up here come eat them. I'm gonna put it past some of them, you know. Yeah. Alright, back to civilization. I thought we would never reach. But there's a bridge and there's cars driving on it. And we are almost at the end of our journey. And it was a great journey. But now I'm hungry. I'm starving. I am thirsty. Oh my God. My knees are falling out. I am about to collapse. But I will find the energy to make it to the end. Muddy puddles. This was a great journey. Not great, it was a good journey. It was productive in terms of exercising and seeing something new, experiencing something new, or somewhere new. But yeah, you can see the cars parked out there. Yep. We've made it!
Yes, I.
Alright, river. Now we're back on the road. Oh my God. Those are there. The worst thing, we reach out on the road and look up the street. Literally about a quarter mile up the road the car had parked. This is crazy. At least we can see. Can't see where we are going now. Yeah, but she left before. Oh my God. Anyway, it's time. Time for drinking and time for some food. And time for take on the journey back home. Take on the journey back home.
Home sweet home, home sweet home.